Every day, seconds decide who lives and who doesn't. Could you save a life if it happened right in front of you? Most of us like to believe that emergencies happen to other people in other places under different circumstances. But the truth is, accidents don't choose. They can happen in the office, in the warehouse, in a restaurant, on a construction site, even in your own home. And when they happen, the people around matter more than anything else. That's where first aid comes in. That's where you come in. First aid at work training isn't just a checkbox on a workplace requirement list. It's a skill, a mindset, and a responsibility. It gives you the ability to respond immediately and confidently when someone's life hangs in the balance. It transforms panic into action, fear into knowledge, and hesitation into decisiveness. When you know what to do, you are no longer a bystander. You are someone who makes a difference. Consider the number of ways an emergency can unfold. Someone could slip on a wet floor, suffer a sudden heart attack, or choke while eating. A colleague could cut themselves on machinery, burn themselves in the kitchen, or fall from a ladder. Allergic reactions, strokes, asthma attacks, the list is endless. Without knowledge, people panic. They call for help and wait. Precious minutes pass. But with first aid training, you step forward. You know what to do, and your actions directly influence the outcome. Take CPR, for instance. Cardiopulmonary resuscitation is a skill that can literally bring someone back from the brink. When a heart stops, survival drops dramatically with every passing minute. But someone trained in CPR can act immediately, providing vital support until professional help arrives. That knowledge, that confidence, turns ordinary people into lifesavers. And it's not just about CPR. First aid at work training teaches you how to manage bleeding, treat burns, handle fractures, respond to choking, recognize strokes or heart attacks, and deal with allergic reactions. You also learn how to place someone in the recovery position, move them safely if necessary, and use basic first aid equipment correctly. Each of these skills is critical, and together they form the foundation of saving lives. But first aid isn't only about actions, it's about awareness. It's about understanding risks, identifying hazards before they happen, and staying alert in your environment. Knowing how to prevent accidents before they escalate is just as important as knowing how to respond when they occur. This awareness creates safer workplaces and reduces the likelihood of emergencies altogether. Another critical aspect is communication. Emergencies are chaotic by nature, and knowing how to call for help, relay vital information to paramedics, and keep the injured person calm is essential. Your words, your composure, your instructions can reduce panic and make the response far more effective. First aid training equips you to communicate clearly, calmly, and efficiently in situations that most people find terrifying. Confidence is another outcome of first aid training. When you are prepared, fear is replaced by readiness. You no longer hesitate. You understand the steps to take and why they matter. That confidence spreads. It reassures colleagues, strengthens teams, and makes workplaces more proactive. People feel safer around trained individuals because they know someone will act if the unthinkable happens. Let's think about a real scenario. A colleague suddenly collapses from a heart attack. Without training, confusion and panic spread. Phones are grabbed, voices rise, and precious seconds are wasted. But with first aid knowledge, you approach calmly. You check responsiveness, ensure emergency services are on their way, and begin CPR immediately. Each action is deliberate and informed. By the time paramedics arrive, your intervention has preserved vital life chances. This is the power of first aid, knowledge in action. And it isn't limited to the workplace. First aid skills extend beyond your office walls. You could save the life of a family member, a friend, or even a stranger in a public place. Every trained person increases the odds that someone in crisis will receive timely, effective care. The skills you learn are transferable, invaluable, and timeless. They stay with you for life, ready to be used whenever the need arises.
First aid at work training is practical, hands-on, and real-world. It is designed to build capability, not just theory. You leave the training confident in your ability to respond. You know the procedures, you understand the mindset required, and you are ready to act. This is empowerment in its truest form. It is knowledge that saves lives. At its core, first aid is about humanity. It is about caring enough to be prepared, about valuing life enough to act when it matters most. Emergencies are unpredictable. They are sudden, intense, and often terrifying. But preparedness turns fear into control, hesitation into action. By learning first aid, you are taking a stand for life itself. You are committing to protect, respond, and act. You are ensuring that no one in your presence is left without help when they need it most. There is no substitute for readiness. There is no second chance when crucial seconds are lost. First aid at work training ensures that when emergencies occur, you are ready, capable, and confident. You become a person who does not freeze, who does not hesitate, who knows what to do. You become someone who saves lives. So every day, remember this. Seconds decide who lives and who doesn't. With first aid knowledge, you give yourself the ability to be the difference. You give yourself the power to step forward, to act decisively, and to make an impact when it matters most. Every life you touch could be saved because of your readiness. Every skill you learn is a life preserved. That is the value, the purpose, and the responsibility of first aid at work training. It is more than a course. It is more than a certificate. It is a commitment to your colleagues, your friends, your family, and your community. It is a promise that you will act, that you will step forward when others may step back. It is the knowledge that you are capable of saving a life, and that knowledge is priceless. Every day, seconds decide who lives and who doesn't. Could you save a life if it happened right in front of you? First aid at work training ensures that the answer is yes.